how to do the Ask Me Anything on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can do the Ask Me Anything on Snapchat, so make sure to stick with me till the end. In order to do the Ask Me Anything on Snapchat, open up the Snapchat application. Then we want to use the Ask Me Anything filter. So for that, simply select through the filters and then tap on the search icon to search for it. So when you tap on the search icon, in the search bar, just type in Ask Me Anything. So this will basically give it a certain trend over here, and there are many types of Ask Me Anything filter. So you can actually use this particular option, which is Ask Me Anything, from here, and then you'll be able to ask this option and so on. Or you can use this Ask Him Anything by Ravi Rao, and this is another one that you might want to use and do whatever else you consider in this case. And this way you should be able to do Ask Me Anything on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.